Hi, Matt and Emily. I was going to type out an email and I thought it would be just a lot easier to make a quick video. You were asking about goal setting for mClass and the reading fluency. So if you come in here to mClass, we're on the main benchmark page. We talked this morning about the instruction. If you click on the progress tab right here, you're going to see progress monitoring, goal setting, growth outcomes. You want to go to goal setting, and here it's going to show you what kind of growth your learner needs to make in order to be at benchmark by the end of the year. So if we look at Charlie, she would need to make average growth, have an average growth rate to get to her end of year goal. Um, so her score is 95%. It looks like she needs to have 98 words per minute, I guess, for the middle of the year. And then it would set a new goal for her for the middle of the year to the end of the year. You can change this manually. So if you think that that's too much for her, you can set it to a different number. If you want her to have above average growth or well above average growth, you can set those goals as well. So you can change it however you want to, and it will save the new goal. So that's how you do that. And I think that that's really awesome that we can do that, and you can change it to be whatever you want. So you can see Aslyn was already at benchmark, so she should just have average growth to maintain that. Actually, oh no, here's one. So it looks like Daniel Cook, he was below on his benchmark, so he needs to make above average growth in order to get to benchmark in at the end of the year, if that makes sense. So let me know if you have any other questions. I'm going to be going over this with the whole staff on the 24th, and then people will have time to do some planning. But I thought I wanted to get this information out to you. Have a great night.